Alright, just shut off. What we got here is a Clausing 225, C225W, excuse me. Here's your controls, very simple. It has the capability of coolant, but you're gonna have to drop in another pump. They're about 15 bucks at Granger's for a cheapo. You have 18 new blades here. So, you know, you can just see here. There are various teeth sizes on there. Most of them are 14 teeth per inch. But there you go. It's ready to go. It's a nice little saw. Walk you around the back side here. Single phase. There's your clamping, belt, blade tightener, clamping. Here's your info on there if you can see that. Thank you for watching.